Welcome to Hogwarts! Which house would you like to be grouped with for now?
Well, my parents are both Gryffindor, so Gryffindor, of course.
Another brave one. Come with me. These are all the Gryffindor kids. You'll hang out with them until everyone gets sorted into their appropriate houses. Dude, sick tattoo! What does it mean?
Well, my dad had a lightning scar on his forehead, so I got a tattoo of it after he passed away.
I'm so sorry to hear about that. My name's Sarah, by the way. All students, please report to the Great Hall for the sorting ceremony.
Sorting ceremony? What's that?
It's where everyone gets sorted into the full Hogwarts houses. Gryffindor, Slytherin, Hufflepuff, and Ravenclaw. Didn't your parents ever tell you this?
Well, they're gone.
Up next, Ian Potter. Put on the sorting hat and let it sort you into your house. Interesting. I can't seem to put my finger on it. The son of two Gryffindors, being as cunning as a Slytherin, yet as eccentric as a Ravenclaw, and as patient as a Hufflepuff. I can't believe I'm saying this, but you are in the Silverwing house.
The what house?
Up next, Ian Potter. Put on the sorting hat and let it sort you into your house. Interesting. I can't seem to put my finger on it. The son of two Gryffindors, being as cunning as a Slytherin, yet as eccentric as a Ravenclaw, and as patient as a Hufflepuff. I can't believe I'm saying this, but you are in the Silverwing house.
The what house? The Silverwing house? What is that?
No questions. My work here is done.
The Silverwing house is a house reserved only for those who are truly righteous. The house colors are cyan and white. Their emblem, the Pegasus. And their motives are driven by determination and compassion. But most importantly, they hold all the values of all the other houses as well.
So am I like the chosen one?
Oh, don't flatter yourself.
Professor, we're under attack! The Dementors have broken loose!
Fire.
Fire indeed. It appears the spirits deem you worthy of being the chosen one. Now go fight those Dementors!
On it! Dad, you know I'd tell you if I was a hunter. Why am I thirsty for blood?
I knew it! Sarah, aim at his head!
On it!
Dad? Sarah? You shouldn't have done that.
Fire! Oh!
What have I done? And why? Do I want more?
Stop right there. Pray. The marks. It can't be. The chosen one.
The chosen one?
A hunter born from two prey. Is that you or not?
That's me. What's it to you?
Legend has it that the hunter born with the eye marks and green eyes is destined to be our king.
How am I supposed to be the hunter king if I don't even want to be a hunter?
Come with me. There's something I need to show.
No!
Okay then, let's fight. Winner becomes hunter king.
Prepare to die. I get money every time my soulmate gets hurt? That's a little morbid, don't you think?
Beats me. I just got $100. Man, I hope my soulmate's super clumsy.
That's really messed up, Doofelheimer. I'm gonna go try to find her. $5,000? How?
The more your soulmate feels the pain, the more money you shall receive.
Thanks, strange old man baby that came out of nowhere.
Can I kiss you?
Ugh! I hope your soulmate gets a lot of money. $10,000? What's happening to her?
Hey, Ian.
Oh, hey, Sarah. Why is there a bruise on your face?
Oh, it's nothing. He's coming. I have to go.
Wait! Hey, why isn't Sarah in class?
Didn't you hear? Her boyfriend got really mad and, well, now she's in the hospital.
I don't like this. I need to go find her.
Ian, wait! You forgot about—
Alright, dude, I'll see you in a bit. Yeah, man, just let me know. Can I come too? No, Sarah, go play with your dolls or something. Yeah, loser. Did you just make fun of my little sister? Yeah, but I mean, you did too. No one makes fun of siblings except their own sibling. Okay, bro, chill. It was just a joke. Flaming fist, fifth form, fire breathing. Yes, do it. Dude, your fist is on fire. Yeah, just like your face. What? My face is fire. Oh! Come on, Sarah. Let's go play with some dolls. Yay! Ew, your brother's so weird. What did you just say? Alright, you get one wish. What's it gonna be? I wish for world peace. For all the countries to come together instead of fighting over our differences. You know, that's really great, but it's a little too complicated for me to handle on my own. Can you wish for something a little more simple? Okay. got it. I want to know exactly what my girlfriend wants. Okay. See, I want to know what she means when she says, I'm not hungry, you choose where to eat. And then she gets mad when I choose McDonald's. Damn, dude. I want to know what she's mad about when I've done nothing wrong. I feel that. And what she means when she says, sure, you can go hang out with the boys. And then she gets mad at me for hanging out with the boys. I wish to be able to read her mind. Yeah, I hear you, brother. So, what was your other wish again? What? Why do I have a neck tattoo? Mom! Mom, look!
You get neck tattoo without telling mommy? That's it! You disown! Hold on, what's going on here? Oh no, it's happening.
What's happening?
Only 100 people are gifted a superpower every year. And when they're ready to use it, they get a tattoo symbolizing it. But a rose. I've never heard of that one before.
Dad, I could lose my job because of this.
Son, you have superpowers now. Go be a superhero.
But I don't even know what my powers are.
Oh, right.
Why can't I just use my powers already?
Whoa, sorry bro. Still learning to control my lightning.
Man, I wish I had those powers. What just happened? Ow! My hand. No way.
Oh, I don't feel so good.
Huh. Let's go see what else I can do. I am so glad you came golfing with me, babe. Just be careful. These houses cost a fortune, so we can't break any windows. Yeah, whatever. Babe! I guess we should go apologize. Hey, we just wanted to apologize for— I am a genie! And thank you for breaking me out of this lamp. Wait, you're not mad? No, in fact, for freeing me, I will grant you and your beautiful wife. Oh. One wish each. But in return, you have to grant me a wish for breaking the owner of this house's window. Sure. I wish for $1 billion. Done. And you, my queen? I wish for 100 exotic cars. Done. And for my wish, I wish to take out your beautiful wife to a fancy dinner, and, if she like, take her home with me afterwards. Well, I am rich now. Fine. So, how old is your husband? 35. And he still believes in genies? Wow. Wow. I am so glad you came golfing with me, babe. Just be careful. These houses cost a fortune, so we can't break any windows. Yeah, whatever. Babe! I guess we should go apologize. Hey, we just wanted to apologize for— I am a genie! And thank you for breaking me out of this lamp. Wait, you're not mad? No, in fact, for freeing me, I will grant you and your beautiful wife— one wish each. But in return, you have to grant me a wish for breaking the owner of this house's window. Sure. I wish for $1 billion. Done. And you, my queen? I wish for 100 exotic cars. Done. And for my wish, I wish to take out your beautiful wife to a fancy dinner, and, if she like, take her home with me afterwards. Well, I am rich now. Fine. So, how old is your husband? 35. And he still believes in genies? Wow. Wow. I am a genie, and you get one wish! Not you again. Genie, my boy! Alright, so you know how I love Hawaii? Well, instead of having to fly there all the time, I want to wish for a bridge that allows me to drive there whenever I want to. You know you could just teleport, right? You know what? That wish wouldn't work anyways. The amount of damage due to the sea and the economy? Can't you just wish for something simpler? Okay, got it! Look, man, cats are so cute, huh? I've been married and divorced 12 times now. All my wives told me that I never understood them. Oh, I hear you, brother. So I wish that I could understand women, know how they feel inside, and what they're thinking of when they give me the silent treatment. Know why they're crying, know what they really want when they say nothing, and what truly makes them happy. Yeah, so do you want that bridge 2 lanes or 4? I can't believe my best friend slept with my wife. Genie! What is it now, my friend? I want to wish. Up. I heard you earlier, and I don't want you to make any dumb decisions, so I'm gonna give you 3 wishes. But whatever you wish for, your best friend gets double of. Damn! Okay, fine. I want to wish for $1 million check written to me. Done. And now your best friend has a $2 million check written to him. What? Okay, then I wish for a private island signed to my name. Alright, your best friend now has 2 private islands written to his name. Damn it. Alright then, I wish that you beat me half to death with that stick over there. Are you sure you... Oh, now that I can do. I just did the entire project.
Well, you better write my name on it. You should be thankful I let you sit next to me.
Actually, sir, I don't think I should write your name in this notebook.
Are you trying to make me fail because you have a crush on me?
No, it's just
Write my name now.
Okay.
Why does my chest hurt?
It works. But how is that possible? I can kill someone just by writing their name in this death note? Come to think of it, I did lose $1 million because of my brother.
I'd be careful if I were you.
Oh yeah? And who are you? And how'd you appear out of thin air?
I am a Shinigami, or in English, a god of death. And that death note you're holding belonged to me. I dropped it here on Earth.
Interesting. And why should I be careful about whose name I write in here?
If you only kill those who are close to you, people will immediately know it's you.
Okay. And what if I wrote your name in here? Will I become a god of death?
Wait, no, you can't do that!